Are you utilizing Pinterest to the best of its ability? All right, people, we are back with the Roadmap Journey series. We are now moving into Module 26, Pinterest. So, this entire module is taught by Christina Carlisle. She's going to go in depth and show you that every single thing that you are doing on Pinterest is wrong and what to do to correct it. So, just like every other module, we start with the introduction, which is why you should be on that platform, how it's grown, what the best tips and tricks are, all of that good stuff. And then you dive into the meat and potatoes starting into the second video. So, the second video is what is Pinterest? And so, a lot of people, when they think Pinterest, they think social media, when in all reality, Pinterest is a search engine. So, you're going to learn everything that Pinterest is, everything that Pinterest is not, and then you're going to go into video 3, which is setting up your profile and how to optimize your bio and all of those things. So then you're going to start learning about sharing pins, understanding what they mean and understanding what that means to you and how it can impact your business. And then she's going to give you a full tutorial on how you create your own pins and how frequently you should be doing them, what her Pinterest page looks like, and how she converts leads into sales. She's then going to show you how you actually post those pins to Pinterest, but then how you actually schedule content on Pinterest. So a lot of that comes down to making sure that you are in a Pinterest business account, which gives you that option. So there are a bunch of options that you have with just the basic Pinterest account. You want to make sure that you're on a business account because you want to be able to schedule your posts. You want to be able to get those analytics to see what's converting and what's not, so you can kind of look and deep dive into your content and say, maybe I should do a lot more of this and a lot less of that. So now you're going to be able to take those analytics to try and analyze your growth opportunities, but then she's going to show you how to deep dive into all of the Pinterest trends, how you kind of evaluate what's trending, what's not, and how to tailor your content to fit that specific trend. So that way your content is the first content that is being pushed up into their face. So that is going to wrap it up for this one. We are now moving on to the next module. In our next video, that is going to be an entire module about CapCut. And so we will discuss everything that they cover in that module. Please tell me in the comments if you have any questions, post them there. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.